16 Chevy Silverado, of course crew cab. Ivan Lopez shooting a video in the rain. Doesn't stop me. 95-966-9443. Again, Ivan Lopez here at Battle Ford in Mandeville. That's me. Getting back to the appearance on the other side. I do have the hood pre-open, so I can do this with one hand. It is the 5.3 liters. There's the shoes. The wheel style. Of course, fixed running boards. Manual seating on the passenger, power on the driver. Does have both the remote controls, both keys with remote start. Middle console, you can add a person up front. Your cruise control, Bluetooth, dual climate control, CD player. Power windows, power locks. Here's all the stuff you can actually see in the video. I'm just entertaining you. Like I say, for the badging, this is the LT trim with the tow package. The spring-loaded down tailgate. Lock door. The remote start. Nobody's in there. That's me. Go on the inside. We talked about the power driver side. Automatic headlights, brake assist. There's your mileage. And reverse camera. Let me know. Ivan Lopez here at Battle Ford in Mandeville. 985-966-9443. Talk to you soon. Give me a call either way. That's me. You can be in the driver's seat.